In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Evernote. Whether you're working on important documents or just organizing some notes, knowing how to annotate your PDFs directly from Evernote can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right into it. If you're using Evernote on either Windows or Mac, the process is quite intuitive. First, open the note that contains the PDF you want to edit. This is typically the place where you've stored vital information and resources for easy access. As you navigate to your desired note, you'll notice the PDF file nestled comfortably within. Now, it's time to bring your PDF to life with annotations. For both Windows and Mac users, a convenient way to begin is by right-clicking on the PDF attachment. This action will prompt a context menu to appear, offering you a variety of options. Your task is to zero in on the pencil icon that should be visible above the PDF. This icon is your gateway to the annotation feature in Evernote. Clicking it is similar to picking up a versatile tool that can transform your static PDF into a collaborative canvas. Alternatively, if the pencil icon doesn't pop out at you right away, or you're more comfortable with written commands, there's another slight variation in the method. In the same context menu, you'll find an option labeled Annotate this PDF. This is your direct invitation to start layering notes, highlights, comments, or any other kind of annotation directly onto the PDF. Once you've chosen one of these entry points, Evernote will open the PDF in its editing mode. It's here where you can let your creativity and organizational skills shine. Annotating your PDF is like wielding a digital pen on paper. You can highlight sections, add text notes, draw arrows, or even insert shapes to emphasize certain areas. Think of it as customizing the document to cater directly to your needs, whether it's for clarification, emphasis, or just a touch of personal flair. As you wrap up your annotations, Evernote takes care of saving all your hard work. There's no need to worry about losing progress. Once you're done, you simply close the annotation mode, and the PDF, now enriched with your personal touches, is saved back into your note. It's a seamless experience designed to keep your workflow as smooth as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to annotate PDFs in Evernote. This handy feature can help you streamline your workflow, making your documents not only more informative, but also more interactive. Don't forget to explore different annotation tools to match your style and needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more great Evernote tips and tricks.